Benzi Raka is mid.
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 Hello, fellow law-goers. My name is Benzi Raka, and today I am attorney at law. Alright, today, welcome to my courtroom. We're playing Guilty as Sock. Alrighty. Now, without further ado, what can you get? Socks? Law? Let's just jump into it. It's showtime, brew. God damn, that's big a thing more. Oh yeah, new headphones. What do we think, y'all? What do we think, gamers?
Alright. It's showtime.
Sorry, I just wrote the accusation.
How do we start this?
We on the prosecutors here.
Sorry, I don't know how this game works.
What?
Yeah. He doesn't know how to. I hate you so much.
I'm done.
Call me something, but how would he know what one is?
Tried a spectacular escape by impersonating a guard. Unfortunately, their disguise was just a mustache drawn with a marker. Their plan failed in 3 seconds, setting a new world record for the fastest
I
failure
actually
ever.
just left the room.
Has robbed the county store.
What? Waiting for the prosecutor and their charges. Okay, I got you, homie. I got you. I studied law by watching Suits. This is gonna be easy. Breaking news!
Breaking news.
Ow, ow, it hurts to pee!
Okay.
She was clean, but then my dick turned into a flamethrower.
Ah!
Do you have an ibuprofen?
Is this what they call abuse
I
of
think
power?
I have a headache.
Yeah, this is
Being on page
Marcus
6!
is big of the Epstein file. With
Marcus,
this little
Marcus,
girl.
no.
Amateur detective.
Oh!
Defense, besides the key to the house, we've already ascertained that the defendant has been at the island and that he's a creep. But with no security cameras on, we can't ascertain that he did rape the girl.
But he's on.
news. The Stein is innocent.
But he was on page 6 of the
All I
Epstein
can say
files.
is that
Okay, and we
yeah,
cannot
well,
ascertain
so was
anything.
Donald Trump,
was
and he
Donald
was the
Trump,
greatest
and he-
president we have ever had.
So was Donald Trump.
He's up there with Ronald Reagan.
Oh my god, even worse.
The trickle-down economics do indeed trickle down.
Eyewitness testimonies are scarce here. Is there any other evidence? Okay.
I'll just say the
I
the
conclude
camera
my
was
case.
turned off, Your Honor. There is no record of my client there.
Your Honor,
May
can
I speak, Your Honor?
Your Honor, can I speak as well?
You're speaking on my BT Dubs. You're the amateur detective.
I know.
Okay, this is the detective speaking. Journalist, you'll speak after the detective.
Alright, thank you.
Alrighty. So, from my analysis and the testing done on the girl, she was unharmed, and her parents were actually served a penny to buy the prosecutors aside through some shell companies.
Well, you can't argue with facts, Your Honor.
Yeah, but this is also an amateur here.
Amateurs
Though
are
I may
still
do
good at
this
their
on
job.
my time on the side, it does not mean that I
What's your
do
day
not have
job?
real
What's
evidence
your
here.
Day job? What's your day job?
My day job is a barista.
Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here! Journalist, you had something to say.
I did, but I decided that instead of making this a court of matters, I'm just gonna follow the witness out to the parking lot and beat his fucking ass. So I conclude my time.
Suspicious at all. That's not suspicious. He admitted that in open court, by the way, Your Honor. You don't find that the least bit suspicious?
I am an alcoholic. You are the least of my concerns.
You got the alcoholic pass.
I do have to say, unless you have some more concrete evidence with the cameras being turned off, we cannot ascertain that the girl was in fact harmed, even though he was on aisle of the Epstein list. Because if we charge him, we'd have to charge Donald Trump, and we cannot do that at this time. We wish.
Can't really just defend
Yes.
Epstein child rapist.
All I'm saying is he's speaking facts, no printer.
I don't. Huh?
What?
Look at that prosecutor, bro. My client's going free.
Huh?
Okay, defense, do you have any closing statements?
Yeah, what's good? Any closing
Okay,
statements?
fuck you, this bunker's scale seriously.
Yo, what's good?
Yo, it's good.
Your Honor, I would just like to say I do have respect for my opposition for wanting to bring justice to an obviously disturbed little girl, but going after my client, who is an innocent man, is just downright shameful.
Let's bring back the little girl. What's she have to say about all this?
All I gotta say is that concert was real good.
Okay, objection, you're up.
So looks like she, Your Honor, she was clearly asking for it. I mean, did you see what?
Whoa!
What?
Let's go! Let's go!
I want to tell you this. If you hold down the gavel, you can hit people real damn hard and it stuns them for a longer time.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Silence in my courtroom.
Is the prosecutor right?
Silence in my courtroom. I hate the news.
Your Honor! I present
Trump on an island pusher, but this man he's taken down.
Oh my God, guys!
All right,
Look,
Jack, defend Donald Trump.
Your Honor, I would like to lead in the prosecution.
You're the
Your
Okay,
Honor,
prosecutor, your turn.
quiet.
Quiet in my courtroom. Okay.
Your Honor.
Present. You have 30 seconds to present your defense.
Okay, I present.
Oh
the
my
fact
God.
that There's this old suitcase. He in fact did have stuff ready to go to that island. Here's his disposable phone for that island. Here is the fact. He had a car for the island.
Whenever
Oh,
I
damn,
took off
from
my
the
orange
island,
face paint,
this man
Bubba said I looked
was
so
on
much
the
better.
Island.
Okay.
We-
Present your defense.
Alrighty. I would like to first start off by starting with, yes, it is true that Mr. Trump was on the island. However, it is not true that he was there of his own accord. As you can see with the evidence I have thus proceeded, he was on his boat doing diplomatic duties, protecting the LGBTQ and all American rights, before a crazy storm struck his boat, forcing him to be the sole survivor with him and his father. Now, him and his father washed up on this island, but there weren't enough supplies. His father took his own life.
Wait, I've seen this one before.
No, you haven't. No, you haven't.
Judge,
Judge, silence him! Silence him, please!
What's his name? Oliver Queen?
No, it was Donald J. Trump, and he was just trying to save the city.
That was to people.
Thank you.
I'm gonna allow you to bring the witness to the stand.
Oh,
yeah,
thank you.
what's
Thank
good,
you.
my gang?
Now, Mr. Police Officer, is it not true that on the night September 11th, 2001, on the accused night of the mishappenings, that you found Donald J. Trump covered in blood, running from his life from the Big Stein?
I don't know if he was running from the big Stein in particular. All I saw was that he was covered in blood and debris from saving those survivors from the Twin Tower collapsing.
You see, Your
That man
Honor,
is a hero.
my defendant is a victim of only circumstance. For at the end of the day, he is a hero. And if we start punishing heroes for being treated and respected and doing their goddamn duty, that creates an awful precedent. Because the next time there is a 9/11, who is going to want to step up if they're afraid that they're going to be accused of being a child sex trader on an island off the Caribbean coast?
Okay, I don't like that, so I'm gonna allow your witness to come through.
You know what's crazy? Jack could actually win the case if he was actually being serious. Breaking news! Everybody! Trump and Bubba Greyhound love triangle. Pregnancy confirmed!
Okay, I will take a closing statement from this side.
Okay. For my
This side.
Oh, wait, which side
I
do you
would love
choose?
to take a shot
You.
now.
Okay.
Say
For
you have to say,
my
like, the-
for my closing statement, I would like to say that at the end of the day, this case right here weighs way more of a precedent than just a man who's a victim being incarcerated for crimes not of his own volition. But this is truly a story of an Omega trying to find his place in the world, trying to be a hero, and being punished by all the alphas of this world. He is a good,
Holy
God
shit, that's
fearing
actually
man.
so fucking good. I didn't think about that. Oh my god.
And I
damn,
believe-
what the fuck am I gonna do?
At this time, we are ready to concede our time. Thank you, Your
Okay,
Honor.
a closing statement from the plaintiff.
So first off, Your Honor, might I just say to the defendant. Second off, Your Honor, might I just say, we have proved without a reason of a doubt that the defendant was on the island that day. Yes, he was possibly in a cage, but who's to say that wasn't of his own volition? We have evidence saying that he had a suitcase, so he was prepared to go. Even if that was on there, why else would he have a stamp sending it from Epstein's Island to his wife back in New York, saying, "Miss you dearly, ma'am." And then that burnt cigar, Your Honor, I just feel like that's too much evidence to not rule out that he was in fact
How are y'all
in on the
emoting?
whole situation.
Yeah.
Okay, question for the courtroom: are we in America?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Trumbo.
What case?
Look,
All right, Mr. Officer.
Yes.
Has my client ever been caught or reported for behaving in a feminine manner?
Other than the baton I found on the first report of the night of him at the nightclub, no.
But a baton is nothing more than a weapon. You yourself carry batons, also known as nightsticks, on your person, do you not?
Well, I don't carry my baton in the place that he was.
And can you, for the court, tell us what this place was?
I don't think that would be very appropriate to the court.
No, say it. It's for law. It's for justice.
Oh,
you
okay.
legally have to say it.
Legal, you are
cannot
under
withhold it
oath.
from me. It's like, need I remind you that you are under oath, officer?
He was walking with the baton placed in his anus.
Please, you
I
better hope
better-
I'm guilty. I know where you
I know where you
Okay.
Your Honor, disregard my client's statement. He is
I also
under
have two
arrest.
accounts of him, quote unquote, assaulting ICE officers.
Does
Boss, your employee is being accused of being a feminine boy. Now, could you tell us exactly what kind of business you run exactly?
Now, I'd like to first start things off by saying that you are talking way too loud for someone in a lower tax bracket. But I'll go ahead and continue. I'll give you the time of day and go ahead and
Your Honor,
state
permission
what's
to
going on.
treat the witnesses hostile.
this is your own witness, so no.
Let's just say that I run a wide facilities of pizza animatronic entertainment
Oh my god.
establishes. Now,
So you
I
run
don't.
Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
I may or may not run a bootleg.
I will
called,
remind you are under oath.
I run a sect of organizations called Frederick's Cinco.
Your Honor, I'd like to present a case for copyright infringement.
Cinco con Alfredo's Des Noches.
These boxing gloves, I've never known someone feminine to do such a masculine hobby. And these are beat up, by the way. Like, years of boxing experience. At least 18.
Could he be the one who is using them? Or is it more of like a BDSM situation? He is known to be a masochist.
Now, I have represented many people who are in more sexual activities, and I've never known someone to bring their work home with them.
I forgot you're bitchless. Okay.
I'm gonna fucking skin you.
Your Honor, I do have another, in fact, piece of evidence that I can submit.
Okay, hold on. There you go. Okay, now you can submit it.
So, I would like to submit this piece of evidence called leaked DMs of the fact that the defendant has been talking some shit.
Because
the computer is old. Yes. Shut the fuck up.
Disregard my client's actions.
You may say that the application is old, but may I submit a piece of evidence to the Discord?
I'm actually scared. What is this?
Tell me that it's not an offensive man right there.
Okay, well, I think because I did that makeup, I think it was pretty slay. The house boots down. Okay, so...
I would like to present some evidence.
What? I can't
Yeah.
see that. Okay, well, you're not helping, your case, because I was
I'm
gonna
a
plead you as...
Rothschild. Oh shit, yeah, I win. I win,
was
he's
gonna-
a Rothschild.
plead you as not guilty.
Want to give them some more time?
Hey, let's.
Nah, he's guilty.
Say one
Boo!
before you make it.
Guilty of them, boy.
Well, guys, I want to say that's where we're going to bring it in today. I want to say thank
Did you even do an
so much
intro?
for watching. I did, in fact, do an intro. You weren't here for it. I want to say I am so grateful for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I would love to see you guys on the next one. We're going to make another video of this. It's going to hopefully follow up soon after. So I will see you in the next one. Take care. I love you. And see you in the next one. Bye!